Anker Eufy E41, 4000 surveillance camera promises colorful images at night. The Eufy E41 is a new surveillance camera that promises impressive image quality, even in very difficult lighting conditions. It's more of a system for users with demanding requirements who aren't afraid of a certain amount of installation effort. Attentive readers may remember the Eufy E41. We reported on the new surveillance camera in the context of the new NVR system, but now, the camera is also available for purchase separately. However, the design remains unchanged. The Eufy E41 works exclusively with the Anker Eufy Pro NVR system. So it is not a camera that can simply be connected via Wi-Fi, for example, but is part of an overall system. Accordingly, a wired connection is required. Ethernet is not only used for data transmission, but also to provide power via phone. The camera is advertised with 4000 resolution and supposedly covers a 122 field of view. A second lens such as a zoom lens is lacking, but a 5-fold digital zoom is apparently available. Since this is not a PETS camera, the camera's angle of view is fixed and cannot be changed remotely. AI detection of objects, such as people, pets, and cars, is advertised. The starlight function is supposed to allow color images to be taken at night, assuming certain light sources are still present. Infrared recording is also possible at night. Further details about the E41 can be found on the product page, where it is available for $130.